What's up, viewers? Today what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to solve the first layer. Before we get started, I'm going to teach you a quick algorithm that consists of 4 moves, but it only uses 2 faces to turn. So the algorithm looks like this: R, U, R prime, U prime. And what this does is helps you insert the corner into its correct position. Go ahead and practice that algorithm to where it's in your muscle memory, so this will help you to get further on in the cube. Okay, the first thing what you need to do is look for one white corner that you want to focus on. So what you want to do, you're going to look in the U face, this face right here, for a white corner. So I'm going to look for one, and I see this one right here. So what I'm going to do is rotate to where this corner matches up with these 2 centers right here. So I see that this red and blue matches up with right here. So that what that means is that this corner needs to come here. So whenever you're ready to insert it, you put it on top of where it needs to go, and then you do that algorithm: R, U, R prime, U prime. So now you're gonna look around, and I see this one right here. So now I put this on top of where it needs to go. Now what I need to do is put it on the right side, so you could do the algorithm correctly. Because if you did it from here and you do that algorithm, that takes out this corner, and you don't want that to happen. So always keep the corner that you're focusing on the right side. So this one, I can just insert it using R, U, R prime, U prime. Now I'm going to do it again another time, and then R, U, R prime, U prime. Now that gets it to the bottom, and that's what you need to focus on, is putting the corners into the white face to where it makes the whole white face. And another thing is you always need to put the corners in the right spot so you're able to solve it. So this orange and blue matches up right here with these 2 centers, but if I insert it here, this corner right here, this is a wrong spot because it doesn't match with these 2 centers. So now what you need to do is look for another corner. So I see this one right here, so I'm going to move the U face to where it aligns with its centers right here. Now I'm going to put it at the right, on your right side. So now you perform the algorithm, and this might need to be performed quite a few times, just depending on where the corner is oriented. So for example, this one, I'll have to do it quite a few times because this is facing me. So now what I'm going to do is this one, so it's on the right face, so I'm just going to insert it using R, U, R prime, U prime. Now I'm going to do it a few more times to where I get the white face. Now there are a couple of cases that you can run into. So the first one is this, where it's already in the right spot, but it's on the bottom, so it's not in the U face, but it's just on the bottom. So all you gotta do is just do the algorithm to fix it. Now another case is this one right here. this is in the wrong spot. So what you need to do here is just perform that algorithm so it takes it out, so then you can enter it in the right place. So you do R, U, R prime, U prime to take it out. Now you use the U face to move it on top of where it needs to go. So now I just perform the algorithm so I can insert it. This was the second part of this 7-part series on how to solve the Rubik's Cube. I'll be uploading around this time each week on the weekends to a new step on how to solve the Rubik's Cube. I'll see you next week.